Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making peri peri chicken. I need some ingredients. I'm now on my way to buy them from the shop. Okay, I've got my ingredients for the peri peri chicken. Here are the ingredients for the peri peri chicken: Thai chili, garlic, onion, spring onions, peppers, the chicken, cider vinegar or standard vinegar, lemon juice, chili powder, paprika, salt, cayenne pepper. Let's start making it. Okay, so first you need to roast everything except the spring onions. In the last I forgot to mention the olive oil, so you need the olive oil. So I've got some oil in there. Now I'm gonna roast everything. Okay, they're all roasted now, so we're gonna drain them now. Okay, so I've got my blender. Start putting everything in. All the spices. We'll do a list for all the spices because some of the spices we forgot to mention. Lemon juice, coriander, spring onions, and the vinegar. We'll do about 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 1/4 of cup. Okay, so I've got the chicken here now, washed, and I've got cuts in there for the sauce to go in. I'm not going to use all of the sauce. I'm going to save some for the rice and for the chicken later. So I'm going to add about this much. If you need any more, you can always add some later. So you need a thorough mix. Okay, so it's now mixed, and I'm now going to marinate it for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this is my recipe for the peri peri chicken. It may be different to other recipes, but that's the way I make it. And the spices is, according to your taste. You can add more or less, make it more chili, make it more sour. Okay, so this is the remaining sauce. I'm now going to cook this to use on the chicken later. So put some water in there to get all out. Okay, I've added tablespoon of paprika and some olive oil to cook the sauce, and hopefully it should come out really good and tasty. Okay, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, when the oil leaves the sauce, when the oil is separated, then the sauce is made. The peri peri sauce has now cooked. It's ready. It's been 4 hours for the marination. I've now put the chicken into the tray and it's gonna go into the oven now. Okay, I've just turned over the chicken and now I'm going to put the sauce on there. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's almost done now. The chicken is now done.